Do you wish to have better relationships and not feel alone? If you are surrounded by people and still feel isolated, it's okay because with the right methods and tips, you can get out of it. Hello friends, I'm Bodhibhagya, a practitioner who has spent years and tens of thousands of hours using techniques from modern psychology to the wisdom of Buddhas to remove suffering. And I've also created some of my own and seen nothingness. And today, I will tell you 3 everyday things that you can do that will help you to get better relationships and not feel alone anymore. The first thing you can do is to reach out to people who are close to you, because often isolation is less about quantity of relationships but more about quality of them. Having a few really solid relationships elevates the feeling of being alone a lot more than having a lot of shallow ones. And a great way to do that is to strengthen your current ones. So, spend some time with your family and friends. Do something that you both like and enjoy. Maybe watch a movie, play games, go outside. Get to know what's happening with them and in their life. Just spend time in a way that brings you joy and companionship, and your relationship will get better. If the contact has faded, try reaching out. This might seem very daunting, but that's only up till the first message and the initial conversation. Because sometimes it's only a matter of getting something started to rekindle that relationship. And spending some quality time with them afterwards will strengthen your bond and give you companionship. So, reach out to those who are close to you. It will help you a lot more than you might think. Another great way to find good relationships is to meet people with common interests. Because oftentimes the biggest barrier is getting an initial base going, and having a common interest and spending time is a great way to do that. And often people who share a common interest also share other views and values too. So think about what you like and find others who do too. If you enjoy cooking, join a cooking class. If you are into fitness, maybe go to gym and a yoga club. If you like gaming, try a Discord group. Just whatever that will make sense for you. There are many people on the planet, and with the advent of internet and the great connectivity and mobility of today, it's a lot easier to find people who have things common in with you than you might think. And when you meet many people, chances of you finding someone that you really get along well with and will have a really solid relationship with gets better. With this third tip, when you do spend time with your family or friends, or when you meet new ones, your relationship will go further and easier. And that is to improve your social skills. Now, while there is a common misunderstanding that social skills are innate, they are unchangeable and are inflexible, that's not true at all. Just like any other skills, you can learn them and improve them and unleash your potential of being as charming, as likable as you want to be. So, improve your social ability. There are an endless number of guides on internet, and there are likely classes around you too. Find what resonates with you and do that. From me, the biggest tip would be to be genuinely caring and curious about the person. People can feel it and it will supercharge your relationships. Second would be to figure out what kind of person you are and then be like that authentically. Because when you do that, you'll automatically start to be around people who you can genuinely connect with. Any tips or guides you find, first figure out whether you can do them genuinely, authentically. Because there's no need to be the enthused extrovert if you are naturally reflective and introvert. There's no need to be the wise, all-knowing if you are just a simple, energetic mood maker. If you look for it, there are guides to be charming and likable to the right people by being like that too. So, find what is best for you and improve your social skills. If there are any mental blocks, you can always do a meditation or something else. I also have another video on isolation that has meditation in it, and another one that will go deep dive into a meditation for this is coming soon too. If you find content like this helpful, then consider subscribing and like, share and comment. It really helps to reach this video to more people. Good luck.